Welcome back to another book review. Today we're looking at a operator and organizational maintenance manual. This is Technical Manual TM9-1005-223-12, Department of the Army Technical Manual. As we said, operator and organizational maintenance manual for the 7.62 millimeter rifle M14 and a rifle Bipod M2. This is from the headquarters, Department of the Army, and this is the January 1963 edition. And as we'll see as a note on the inside, this manual supersedes TM 9-1005-223-12, 26 May 1961, including C1, 15th November 1961. So again, this is the January 1963 publication. If we look at our table of contents here, got the introduction, and our various areas. Nothing on the back cover. Our last page is number 76. And it's basically in distribution listing. So after the table of contents, gets right into chapter 1 and various diagrams. Chapter 2. We got some tables here and instructions on preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, various figures and diagrams. No color photography in here, it's all on the contrast side here. Grenade launcher, use of flash suppressor. We'll put out the ammunition here. This is chapter 4. So you have 2 different types. Examples of the cartridges. Dimensions. Authorized rounds. Packing data. Even destruction of material to prevent enemy use. We get our appendices. Got our various other publications and forms. Government publication, of course, there's 1 million references. More data. Basic issue items. All sorts of stuff. For sight picture, using the sight device, and then we have a pretty detailed index, 2-pager. And again, our last of our distribution statement. 76 pages in total. Quick look at the technical manual for the M14 and rifle Bipod M2. If we go back and look specifically there, that's covered on page 68 through 71 here. Major items list. So You might be able to find reproduction copies or originals still out there. Quite a few of these were made. And let's see. True. Bipod 49 and 50, paragraph 68 through 71. They covered a magazine. General. Oh, okay. Might be a misprint here. Section X is a little bit confusing. Here they cover the rifle bipod, and it does carry over to this page right there. So, I was wondering where that was just now. So again, another quick book review of Technical Manual for M14 and the associated bipod. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as more specific show and tell videos on vintage and milsurp items. We also have curios for the curious for artsy type objects. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.